So today's plan is to build a box in the back of my Jeep. Box with 2 drawers and 1 sliding table for cooking. I've got some ply, OSB and some MDF. Let's start. So I'm going to use this cut here. There we go. Like that. I've used this drill bit to drill the holes on the back of the box. Now I'm going to use some glue. I was thinking to leave this a little bit higher because I'm going to use this picker backing again, so it's going to have something to support against. Box is in. This is just a test fit, see how it looks. It's alright, fine. So yeah, that's my plan. This is like cooking table. I think it's okay, or maybe I should cut it in half. No, that's alright. Keep it as it is. Yeah, so far so good. Let's cut that on line. Yep. My table is fitted now. All the runners are in place now. My worktop, cooking table. Okay. Time to build drawers. So one is done, finished. Just need to fit the runners and then see the front of it. I need to build that off, but I'll do that later once I finish the other one. When it's fitted, now with the second one in, it's all good. Now it's time to do the top and then the front. It's almost done. That's one. Now all I have to do is put the carpet on top, stick it with glue. It's all done. it's ready.